Happy day 49. Day 49.
Day 49.
Today is AJ Day Take 2. We're going to Chuck E. Cheese for his birthday party today. But I have to do my morning routine. They want to see the goodie bags.
Can we look inside?
No, they're taped closed.
So all the kids are just going to open them carefully? Yeah. But the babies are going to rip them up. Like this.
They're going to open them carefully.
My last two videos are still uploading. So day 47 and 48 is still uploading. And it's 2 days later. But it's all good. They'll be up. We're going to start with morning ginger shot. I need to go buy more ginger and lemons too today or tomorrow. I can do it tomorrow. Shot for me. Shot for hubby. And there's still enough for tomorrow. So we'll go buy some more tomorrow. Cheers.
You'll never get used to that.
Woo! I feel like those were spicy this morning.
Yeah.
He's making breakfast for him and the kids. Super greens. You want some super greens?
Of course.
These are so good.
Dad, you eat granola like that.
What?
You just dump them in your mouth like granola.
I bought a bunch of these yesterday so I could start using these too. I thought they were gonna taste good like the super greens and they don't. So, oh my gosh, like when you open it, the smell.
Mom.
It just doesn't taste great. After those 4 gummies, I'll take my sea moss gummy because that sea moss sour butt I can't eat. So I take the gummy.
You know what?
My husband said the sea moss changing the color of his hair, y'all. Fat burner. This is the same brand for my sea moss. I got it from Organics Nature. If you want this duo, the description, look in the description to my video, to this video, and there's a link tree. If you click the link tree and scroll to the bottom, you can get the fat burner there or your sea moss gummies. And I also have my Herbalife link there. I have my recipe books linked there. I have my YouTube cheat sheet link. Everything is in my link tree. My Instagram, my Facebook, everything. So just click the link tree and you'll see everything there. I don't have Prolessa, so those are all the little fun stuff we're gonna take. And now I'm just gonna drink my shake. It's already made, but I'm gonna pour it into a cup because it's Sunday and we're home. Oh, and I had someone ask me if I sell the products, so yes, I do. So if you want Herbalife too, it's in the link tree as well. If you want to be a member or a distributor, or if you just want to order at retail, but members you get discounts and rewards. So. 2 scoops Dutch chocolate, 1 scoop vanilla protein, 1 tablespoon of silk coffee creamer, and a tablespoon of instant cafe bustelo, and you have the perfect morning coffee shake. So delicious. I really wish I had some Prolessa though. Soon we will have our Prolessa back. See you guys later. I'm gonna make a cake now. Well, I'm not gonna make the cake. I'm gonna decorate a cake that's already made. I cheated this year. I was busy. Okay, so I didn't have a lot of time, so I went to Publix and I bought some of their buttercream because I don't have time to do anything this weekend. We had something every single day. So this is their buttercream. In between dropping off Kimora at her rehearsal and then being at the recital on time. And I picked up this cake. And I'm going to transform this cake into a Spidey cake.
Look behind you. Daddy. It's a big chunk.
I'm eating a piece of pizza because I'm starving. Yeah. I have a mini piece of cake.
I almost busted my ass.
I'm eating cake for my baby's birthday.
Catch them! Catch
Yes, sir.
Open your shirt up! Run! Open your shirt! Hold on!
I finally get to eat. This is what I'm having. I made a salad with tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, green. I don't know. I'm just hungry. I'm gonna go eat that bite.
Hey! I just like it.
Beautiful people, we are finally home. It has been a crazy day, and I'm obviously not feeling that great. But AJ had a fabulous birthday party. It was AJ Day Take 2. And we're finally home. I showed you guys what I ate. Wasn't the best, but it was my son's birthday and I was celebrating with him, so I'll just get back on track right now.
The light is on.
Really wasn't that bad, but I always say that, don't I?
Okay.
We're gonna do 2 super greens.
You wanna go to the table? Wait! Having fun. Can I try these bandanas?
And then it says to do 2 of the apple cider vinegars at one time. I think I need to get used to these, so I'm just gonna do 1. They're not my favorite. I don't like those. Brooklyn wants to show her teeth from Chuck E. Cheese. She's heavy, so hold on. 1, 2. Alright, oof, I don't like those gummies. I'm gonna do my sea moss gummies. I like these. These are good.
So it won't get wet, okay?
I'm gonna take 1 of these. Fat burners. Do you need some napkins? Do you need more napkins?
Yeah, I need 4.
How many do you need?
Like this.
So that's it for. I'm actually extremely tired.
Wait, no, we
I'm so
have
tired.
more.
I'm gonna go. I already changed my clothes. I'm gonna go wash my face and finish putting away my kids. I swear he just had a whole Christmas, so I'm gonna finish putting away my kids' stuff. My husband already took out all the toys of their boxes for him, so. And I hung up all the clothes, but he still got quite a lot out.
Squishy, squishy.
She got a squishy. AJ got a squishy too. You want to say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi. Say I had a birthday party today.
I take to you.
Happy birthday to you. You had fun?
Our stuff.
Alright, I feel tired. I feel dehydrated, so I'm gonna go drink a lot of water. And we will start again tomorrow. I know I was a little off this weekend, but just being authentic and sharing the truth and enjoying with my son. I asked my husband to run to the store and get milk, and he left like 10 minutes ago. And the store is across the street. And he just came back and grabbed his wallet and left again. This poor man. Okay. I'm gonna take off my face now. and do what I gotta do. Thanks for watching my so short, barely ate right today vlog.
Yeah!
And I had a piece of cake, but I only had a shake before that.
Oh no!
I don't know. It's all good. See you on the next video.